Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Brainly Premium. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then go into settings. And here at the very top, we can tap on subscription. And here we have an annual subscription and a monthly subscription. Here we can just select whichever we want to. Then tap on subscribe. And that's basically it. Afterwards we just have to add our credit card or debit card details, and yeah, basically that's it. Thanks for watching, and now I will see you in the next one.